The 2006 Mercedes-Benz CLS Class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. The tested 5-liter V8 delivered abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.